Distance around the coastline of the Isle of Anglesey is approximately 200 kilometres. Write this distance in centimetres, and then it says express your answer in standard form. So remember now, kilometre, okay, or 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, okay. So if I've got 200 kilometres, I can write 200 kilometres as 1,000 metres. And it is important to change into metres first before you go to centimetres, okay? So take your time on this. Now we also know that 1 metre is 100 centimetres, yeah? So if I change this to centimetres, remember that every metre is 100, so I need to times this by 100 effectively, yeah? Okay, to change that then into centimetres. So I get 200 kilometres will be 200,000 times by 100. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 zeros on. Okay, so that's my answer there. Quite a large number. Okay, and we're going to change that then into standard form. Now remember, when it comes to standard form, okay, how many zeros have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write that out a bit bigger. Okay. And when it comes to standard form, we need the number between 1 and 10. So 2 in this case. So I'm going to need to put the decimal point here. Decimal point starts here and it shifts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So it'll be times 10 to the power 7. Okay. Part B then, it says express 72 kilometres in miles. Now, we need to know the conversion between miles and kilometres. Okay, so I know that 8 kilometres is equal to 5 miles, so I tend to remember it as 5 miles equals to 8 kilometres. Okay, so that's what we need to sort of remember there. And then we need to think, well, they want 72 kilometres, we've got 8 kilometres. Let's think, is it possible to scale that up? Okay, can we change 8 into 72? And in fact, we can, can't we? Because 8 does go into 72. If I times it by 9, I get 72. Okay, so that means I've got to times the miles by 9 as well. And 5 times 9 is 45 miles. So 45 miles will be 72 kilometres. Part C then, okay, it says then express 72 kilometres per hour in metres per second. So we've got here this sort of like a speed, okay? Alright, given in terms of kilometres per hour, they want it metres per second. So again, we just need to go back to our ideas or understanding that the fact that 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, okay? So 72 kilometres will become 72,000 metres, yeah? Okay, this is 1,000 there. Now, per hour, okay, so we're going to divide then, remember, distance over time. Okay, for speed, so distance divided by time. But that's per hour. I want it in terms of seconds. So 1 hour, okay, is of course 60 minutes. Okay, but I want it in terms of seconds. So if 1 hour is 60 minutes, and I know there's 60 seconds in a minute, 1 hour then will be 60 minutes. Okay, each of those minutes has got 60 seconds in, so I'm going to times that. So I get 3,600. Okay. 6 times 6 is 36, add the 2 zeros on. Okay, so to work out what it is then, I divide the distance in kilometres, okay, because remember now speed is distance over time. So divide the distance, which is in metres rather, divided by the time then, which is 3,600. And what I can do then, the zeros will cancel, okay, and I've got 720 then divided by 36. And what's good about that is, okay, 72 divided by 36 is 2. So then the 0 there, so we get 20, okay, metres per second. All right.